So in this vlog, I will show you a little bit around, like Tulum. Really, Tulum, it's amazing. For us, it's a little bit too far away, but it's amazing. So you should go and feel it. You should go se vive Tulum and feel it, go there. If you have an idea of investment, if you have an idea of to go and live somewhere else, and yeah, like just do your process, do your work. And yeah, we are also like right now we are traveling with 2 kids, and it was not normal, but yeah, I quit the job. We went like all in, we can say, and we try the best day by day. And also I'm coming back to the gym, so I'm very, very happy. And also for the future, like we try, like in this moment or in this vlog, we will show you a little bit apartments, but it's like about inspire you. So my idea is like with every vlog we are doing to inspire, to show a little bit, yeah, like where could you go. We stayed for 5 months in Sri Lanka. Also super interesting to live there and to stay. It's the nature and the culture and the food. It's so amazing. But always, if you have the opportunity, try and go out and travel and go all in. Try it. You only after that you will have this idea, what can I do for the next time, what can I do better, you know, or yeah, what is the situation learning, you know, for me. So I wish only the best. So we should really pray that yeah, like that the earth calms and that we can be together in peace. So I'm praying every day that yeah, like that we as human beings can be in peace together. So that's also why I like to, yeah, to inspire also like me and my family and the people who is around me, but also a little bit bringing light to the world. And yeah, keep going, keep shining, keep smiling. And in this vlog you will see some apartments, some like house apartments in Tulum. And yeah, if it helps, check with Charlie and his team. And I wish you only the best. So if you want to buy something in Tulum, go and check everything with Charlie and his team, like the company's Herrera Real Estate, and they will show you like all Tulum. Like if you have an idea to come to Tulum, also there is a near right now an airport. So here is an airport, so you can fly directly to Tulum, and in a half an hour you are in Tulum. And you have this zones, like you have these zones where right now they are building some new projects, but also yeah, like super interesting. If you have the idea to buy something, check Charlie Herrera and his team, and you will definitely have an amazing treatment. And yeah, hopefully you will find something for living or for renting. And yes, I will show you a little bit around.
los que estuvieron antes. Convicción, amor y ganas, eso fue lo que empacaste. Bolsillos vacíos, sueños sin visar, despertar en una extraña ciudad, el instinto, la brújula nunca para atrás. Siempre atento, siguiendo cada movimiento, siempre atento, fiel al instinto y al momento, siempre atento, aprendiendo de cada encuentro, siempre atento. Tengo una idea, tengo un invento, amor.